some chili, guys. Got black beans, got onions, got peppers, got corn, got tomato sauce. All already prepared, so it's gonna be like 10 minutes to make this. Let's do it. Peppers and onions first for the base of my chili. I use grapeseed oil. So I put all the seasoning, onion powder, garlic salt, pepper, regular. Add some Trader Joe's sweet corn. All right. So it's already done. You just have to heat it up. I'm gonna transfer this over into a pot so I have more room to put in the beans and the tomato. Okay, so I transferred it over. Now I'm gonna put in the beans, organic black beans from Trader Joe's. And then if you look here, nutritional value. So look at the sodium. It's under, it's a classic. And tomato sauce, no salt added. There's minimal salt, so you have control over the salt, you know? You could use regular potatoes and, tomatoes. I use tomato sauce just to save time, but you could totally use regular tomatoes. It's actually even better to use the tomatoes. I was just saving some time. But yeah, so we'll just let that cook and simmer for a bit. Hey, yes, chili. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more to get a little bit thicker. But yes, Tasty Town, that's where I live. Yay, my chili's done. Mmm, tasty. Yeah. Tasty Town. You have to try it. Definitely try it. So good. Hey.